Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at the wheel, it's in great condition. You do have a little dent here, a couple little scuffs. Overall, really nice. Got the Firestones, Deluxe Champions. Those look good. Here on the paint, typical swirls from just everyday washing. A couple light chips. Emblem looks good. Got a larger chip here. Some really light scuffs. You're going to see the orange peel effect in the paint if you get up close. Normal wear down here. You get up close, you're going to see the flaws there. Little chips. Some imperfections there. So far, all really subtle stuff. Little chips. Looking at that wheel. Back glass. Right here on the edge, you're going to see a little crack, a little touch up. You're going to see the kind of orange peel effect throughout. It's kind of heavier in that area. You see some marring on the paint, little light scuffs. Edge of that's nice, edge of that's clean. See those kind of light marring marks. That chrome looks good. Got a dimple here, a little chip. Making our way down the fender. A couple small chips. See the flaws in here. Of course, we are super close. Light scuffs, but overall in good condition. Got some chips right here on that edge. See the weather stripping is kind of peeled back, some overspray. Of course, when you get really close, you're going to see the tape lines, little dimples. That mirror looks good. Got some little scratches. See some touch up there. Got a scratch here. Got a chip right there. Got some damage there. Looking at that wheel, overall looks good. Some scuffs here. That locks down really nice. Got some haziness in here. Got a larger touch-up spot on the edge. Some chips. Get down low. I'm just going to scan through this. From what I can see here, that looks good. All right, let's check out this interior. Looking at that door panel, a couple flaws on the edge, missing a screw, so it's kind of flopping around. Got a crack there. This is separating. Got some damage down here. Handles on there, fairly secure. I can hear it rattling a little bit, but it's still solid. Looking in the jambs, typical flaws, a little bit of overspray in some spots. Got some chips, little gashes in this area. Just kind of scanning through all of those jams. Of course, you're going to have cracking and stuff in there. Looking at the seats, these look amazing. Very nice. Very little wear, if any at all. Here on the steering wheel, looks gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful wheel. All of that's in great condition. Just kind of scanning the gauges. Looks good. You are missing a screw right there. Shifter looks nice. Looking at the headliner on this side, looks good. Here's more of a close-up on that separation. You can see this is kind of falling back. And looking at the dash, getting up close there. Looks good. Alright, looking at the door panel, you have some gashes and rips there. See, this is kind of separating. That handle's on there nice and secure. There we go. That's opening really nice. Just kind of scanning through those jams. You're going to see some flaws. Looking at the seats though, these seats are really, really nice. Doesn't look like these can click in very easy. I think that metal's bent down. You can see some separation on the leather right there and right here. Just scanning through this. Let's kind of scan through the engine bay.